Namaskar. As the result of different boards is coming, many times people are asking that what is scholarships Shobit Deemed University Meerut and Shobit University Gango Saharanpur Uttar Pradesh is offering to deserving candidates. So I decided to make a small video for the same, which will be helpful to everybody who is aspiring to become a proud Shobitian and join the legacy of our successful alumni, those who are serving the humanity industry globally in multinational companies, those who are wonderful entrepreneurs, those who are wonderful businessmen, scientists, researchers. So when we come back to the scholarships, Shobit University always believes that anybody who has a possibility, potential and aspirations, the university must support them. And to support the deserving candidates, to ensure that they feel privileged, we decided to have a number of scholarships in our universities. On the call of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi ji, we started a scholarship what we call Adarsh Vidyadan Samman. It is a girls empowerment scholarship for any girl and every girl who joins the university for any program. She is entitled for a scholarship equal to 20% of the tuition fee as a gratitude to their parents that they decided that their daughter should study with us. There are scholarships for wards of defense and paramilitary forces, because we know they are the actual heroes and they do not have much time for their families because they are serving the nation. And we decided to provide a scholarship equal to 20% of tuition fees to all wards of defense and paramilitary forces personals, which is available in both the universities. There is a scholarship for which we call National Integration Scholarship. I understand it is very important that everybody, every citizen of the country should feel at home in any part of the country. So this National Integration Scholarship is for budding professionals coming from northeastern states, 7 sisters, and coming from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh regions. So those who join from there, Shobit University, they are entitled again for 20% scholarship on their tuition fees for the complete duration of their program. The sportsmen of the country, many times they feel that they are not supported by education system much, especially in private sector. So to promote the sportsmen, Shobit University is having a scholarship which is on a state level if you are a winner, or on national level or international level. There are different slabs and scholarships available for students, those who are sportsmen also. For meritorious students, we have different scholarships. If you are having more than 75% marks in your 10+2 or in your graduation, then you are entitled for a scholarship. There are different slabs which goes from 25% to 100% of the tuition fees. There is one more scholarship which we call as Bhavijendra Shaurya Samman. It is actually a gratitude to great martyrs of our nation. It is for the wards of martyrs, where we, as a token of our gratitude and thank, invite them to join Shobit University Meerut, and we will be more than happy to provide them complete education free, including their boarding and lodging. Any program which they wish to join at Shobit University, Meerut, which is a deemed university, it will be completely free for them. And for more details, either please do visit us physically, or you can visit us virtually on www.shobhituniversity.ac.in. All these scholarships are to ensure that anybody who is meritorious, who deserves, should not left behind. We all need to be educated. We all need to fulfill the vision of our Prime Minister. Gross enrollment ratio has to be improved, and we have to empower our nation through education by turning the potential of every young man and girl into reality. I welcome you to Shobhit University. Please do visit and see if it is your desired destination of your career, of your future. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Namaste.